In Lego City, the train stations are always busy. Operate the heavy crane and drive the cargo train. Hey! Build a huge cargo train and powerful engine. Adjust and connect the flexible tracks and use the remote control. The new huge cargo train with power engines.
The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, south-central Escambia County in northwestern Florida, until 2:30 a.m. CST. At 2:11 a.m. CST, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Orange Beach, moving northeast at 55 mph. Hazard tornado. Source radar indicated rotation. Impact flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Perdido Beach around 2:20 a.m. CST. Lillian around 2:25 a.m. CST. Precautionary preparedness actions. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Tornado radar indicated, max hail size 0.00 inches.